Audio Jungle.
Have you ever wondered what the world we live in would look like if we all worked together as one in unity? Have you ever thought of how far
Audio
we
Jungle.
would go if we work in love? Our world yearns, people get but aren't satisfied. Those who have want more, those who lack
Audio
don't
Jungle.
know they can have more. The rate of fight for survival is higher than even many making the basis of their essence. Countries wage war against each other for the purpose of power. Organizations and companies compete to stay at the top. Most even venture into illegal acts just to ensure their aims are
Audio
achieved.
Jungle.
And at the end, if result is gotten, they say they fought a good fight. Believe me, advancement and enhancement is good, but to everything in the world there is a limit, a boundary you must never cross. Now, I'm not saying you should live your life limited. Rather, what I'm saying is that your approach to your visions must be guarded with principles and boundaries you must never break. A man of greatness knows that dignity and integrity is something more valuable than possessions and fame, something to protect, something to guard, something more costly than all the gold the world could ever offer. Why then do we venture into this cruelty for the sake of power when there is a safer side known as love and unity? It is the most powerful force in the world. It isn't so easy to get, but to get it you must show it. Just as a wide smile attracts a wide smile, so does love attract vice versa. Every strong foundation is founded in love and unity. From the smallest sect of bond, we know that the more united we get, the stronger we become. Let's take for instance a family, small but yet strong, with each member functioning in his specific field. Or should I tell you of a country? Together they have a name, with diverse states and tribes coming together to build that strong wall, all founded in unity. Believe me, the divided will fall, but the united will stand. If our family, organization, countries, and the world at large will come together in unity and love, then we will stand to be a figure in our generation.